Hi children, welcome to our channel MOC, Mother of CBSE Kids, The Rise of Wisdom. Today I want to explain question and answers from Social Studies, chapter number 2, Latitudes and Longitudes. See children, in this lesson notes, I am explaining with diagrams. Don't draw in your notes children, only this is the explanation purpose only I draw. Answer the following in detail. First question. What are latitudes? Answer is latitudes are imaginary lines that run from east to west. Here is the east, here is the west. Okay children? These imaginary lines, this we call the imaginary lines. These lines are the imaginary lines in the latitude. Okay children? These lines, these imaginary lines that run from east to west. Okay children? This is the first point. And next, they encircle the earth horizontally. They encircle the earth horizontally. What is the meaning of encircle children? Encircle is to form a circle around the earth. To form a circle around the earth or to go completely around the earth. Okay children? These lines are parallel and lie at an equal distance from one another. Okay children? These lines are parallel, lie at an equal distance from one another. Okay children, this is the just explanation purpose only I draw here. Don't draw in your notebooks children. This is the explanation of the first question with the diagram. See second question children. What are longitudes? Answer is longitudes are the imaginary lines that run from North Pole to South Pole. See children, here is the point North Pole and down here is the South Pole is there. Okay, the imaginary lines, these are the imaginary lines in longitudes. Okay, these are imaginary lines that run from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, unlike latitudes, these lines are not parallel to each other. Okay, children, in latitudes, lines, imaginary lines are parallel to each other. But in the longitudes, these lines are not parallel to each other. They are all of the same length and all longitudes meet at the poles. Okay, children, these all the longitudes means North Pole and South Pole. All longitudes meet at the poles. Okay children, this is the explanation with the diagram. See children, this is the brief explanation for latitudes and longitudes. See here, this is the North Pole. This is the South Pole point. And here is the East. And here is the West. Okay, this is the, in middle of this line, red line is the equator. And here is the, this vertical line is the prime meridian. Okay children, and this is the longitude and this is the latitude lines. Okay children, this is the brief explanation with the diagram, latitudes and longitudes. Third question, write a short note on the important longitudes. Answer is longitudes are measured by imaginary lines that run around the earth vertically and meet at the north and south pole. These lines are called the meridians. Okay children, the two main longitudes are the prime meridian and the 180-degree meridians, that is the international date line. Okay children, what is the meaning of international date line children? The international date line marks the difference in date between the eastern and western hemispheres, that we call the international dateline. In briefly, the meaning of international dateline is international dateline is an imaginary line on the earth that officially marks the beginning of one day and the end of the another. This is the brief meaning about international dateline. Okay, the two longitudes divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Okay children, I will explain with the diagram also children. See children, this is the western hemisphere, this is the eastern hemisphere children. See, the prime meridian divides the earth into two hemispheres. Okay children, the prime meridian divides this like this. The prime meridian divides the earth into two hemispheres, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemispheres children. This is the hemispheres. In each hemisphere there are 180 lines of longitudes. Okay children, this is the western hemisphere, this is the eastern hemisphere divided with the prime meridian. Okay, see children, this is the diagram for the international dateline children. This line shows the international dateline. Okay children, the international dateline marks the difference in date between eastern and western hemispheres. Okay children, this is the diagram for international dateline, and this is the western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Children, this is the only explanation purpose. Don't draw in your notes children. Okay, this diagrams only explanation purpose. Thank you all. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.